What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to draw Lewis structure for HCN. So first of all, I find the total valence electrons. Hydrogen, it has only one electron in the valence shell. Carbon, 4 of them, and nitrogen has 5 electrons in their valence shell. So it's going to be 1 plus 4 plus 5 is going to be 10, which is the total valence electrons. Now what I can do, I can write the central atom in here and central elements here, C and N and H on the two other sides. Then I have carbon, which has 4 valence electrons. We have a bond between C and H and a bond between C and N. So if you have these two, if we consider only these two bonds, we have 10 minus 4, because we have two bonds, it's going to be 6 remaining electrons. So when we have 6 remaining electrons, we can say 1 and 1, 2 of them here, and 4 around nitrogen. So it's basically, as I said earlier, Lewis structure is basically a trial and error. Now I need to check the octet rule or duet rule for hydrogen. The duet rule is valid for hydrogen, but for carbon we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's not 8. So it means that there is something wrong here. And for nitrogen we have the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is not 8. So what should we do? We need to connect 2 of these electrons. So I take one of this and one of this and make it as double bond. So when we make it as double bond, we check it again. We have 1, 2, basically it's going to be 2, 4, 6, and 7 electrons. And here we have 2, 4, 6, 7 electrons. And here we have 2, 3, 5, and 7 electrons for nitrogen. So it means that still we don't have the octet rule. Let's get another electron from each of them and make it as a bond. So then it will be like that, C, and we have triple bond and this lone pair in here. Triple bond between N and C. So let's check if there is the octet rule. 2, 4, 6, 8 for carbon and 2, 4, 6, 8 for nitrogen. So basically that's the Lewis structure of HCN. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.